coming to you live from Rockhouse in Negril, Jamaica. Alright guys, as you can see, I just waking up out of my bed and yeah, I'm at Rockhouse. It's a place, guys, that I've been wanting to visit for a long time, and I'm finally here. So alright guys, so I came in like late last night. I reached here like around to 8 thereabout. Yeah, I journeyed from Kingston to Negril. So that was like 4 hours and something minutes drive. And I drove non-stop. Was just such a long journey. I think my first time driving to Negril now, and I know it would have been a long journey, but I never know said that'd be that long, to be honest. But anyway, guys, it's what time now? It's to 8. It's to 8 now, and you know, as I said, just waking up. I didn't get to see much last night because, as you know, at night, so can't see anything much. So I'm going to actually get dressed right now and walk around the vicinity and see what the place is like. You know, pictures were a seller on the internet. So let us just see what this place has to offer, you know, with our eyes, because I'm going to show you everything, and we're going to do everything and all of that. All right, so stick around, guys. So by the way, if you are watching and you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below, man. Hit it up, like the video, share the video, leave a comment. Let me know if you've ever been to Rockhouse, or if you've been in Negril, where in Negril you usually stay, right? And don't forget, you know, to turn on that post notification bell so that you won't miss any of the videos that I post. That bell icon there, when you click it, make you know exactly when we post one. So hit it up, man, hit it. All right, see you guys shortly. Let's go outside and see what outside is like. Well. All right, let me turn this camera around so you can see. Hold on. All right, guys, so this is the room that I am staying in. All right, this is a premium room. All right, so when you go through the door and you come out, this is the balcony. Yes, guys, this is it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, look at that, guys. What does the water remind you of? The color. It's a vlog which I've done before, where I visited somewhere. I was like, the water is turquoise, it's beautiful, you know. Which parish? Let me see if you remember. If it gets Portland, then yes. You know, when I went to Portland with mommy, I think sometime last year for her birthday. Yes, can remind me of Portland water. Yeah, well, we visited Blue Lagoon. Water pretty bad, man. Yes, guys, so I say, this is the room, you know. And then walk through the door and come out right here, so. This is beautiful. So if you want to come and then come right on this thing right here and jump off in the water, you're free to. You know, you're free to do all of that. Just make sure so you can swim. And then over there, not sure if you can see properly, is one of the restaurants, but I will show you more soon.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Guys, I'm ready and now I'm going to go and get some breakfast. Guys, I promised to give you a tour of the room, so this is it. So we have the bed over there. All right, and over this side we have a safe. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. Let me increase the brightness. All right, and I also got an AC in this room. So remember guys, this is the premium room. All right, I don't have access to show you what the other rooms are like, but pretty much this is it. I have a table right there, sofa, and what comes with this room is a Bluetooth speaker. So I don't think the other rooms have it, because when I had booked this one they told me that the unique thing about this one is that I would get a Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, and we have some food items over here. And note guys, these are not free, not free. So the price list right here, so you just go ahead and eat whatever you want, but remember that you have to pay for it. And also have some juice and stuff that they put in here. Well, not juice, we have frizzy drink and liquors and so forth, and water. Yeah, see some juice right there. That's my juice that I bought. I haven't drank them as yet. And over here is, we're now approaching the bathroom. So we have the toilet right here. And the shower right here. This bathroom is similar to the bathroom at Sea Cliff Resort and Spa. Yes, not sure if you have seen that video, but if you haven't seen it as yet, you can go ahead and check it out. All right, yeah man, the similar structure, it has stone walls and so forth. All right, and also over here we have a blow dryer, mirror with light. Maybe I can't see it properly. Yes, yeah, so this is basically it guys. This is the room, and we have a rubbish bin over here. Yeah, so that's the room guys.
Welcome to LTU Cliff. We aim to please. Welcome to my office.
All right, Opa,
Okay,
thank you.
yeah, no problem.
All right guys, so as you can see, earlier this morning I ate at Rockhouse, but to tell you the truth guys, as a Jamaican we know say
we know, let me break it down to you. I prefer not to spend in US dollar because you remember when I showed you the menu, everything there was actually in USD. So I said, boy, you know, it better me actually eat on the road, you know, because when you check it out, when the conversion of it in Jamaican dollars, it kind of high as a local to me, right? So the breakfast that I had, which was an omelette and toast that you saw, I paid like $2,000, probably $3,000, $2,800. So I say, you know what, it better me actually find a local restaurant and know something can pay in Jamaican dollars. So I come right at Opal's restaurant right here, and I got this food right here. And guess how much me pay for this? $1,500. It look good, not true? Some nice ackee and saltfish and callaloo and dumpling and banana and yam and potato. Can't get no better than this. Let me tell you, the real authentic Jamaican food. So me say, if you come and Negril and you know you don't want to eat at the hotel or wherever you're staying, just come around the locals man and just buy some food in a Jamaican dollar. Start to me, it's worth it. 1,500, all good. So guys, let's dig in. I mean, no guys, if you don't want some more food there right now, come on, there's some ackee. National dish of Jamaica, ackee and saltfish. And the food tastes good too. I mean, I just tell you that I chew me at all. Tastes good, man. Hot and nice. Guys, so come on the grill, enjoy the grill, but you don't have to buy no food in a US dollars, you know. You don't have to pay no tourist price. Find a restaurant, you can pay local price, and the price is reasonable.
Alright, so bye Opal. Alright, food was great, yeah? Yeah man, alright. I will. Alright guys, so I'm checking out of the room. I had a great time, you know. And I will definitely come back here for sure. You know? Yeah man, so off we go.